Hi everyone, in this video we will be learning how to crochet the reflection stitch. The written pattern is down below. For this stitch we'll need a multiple of 2. We're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. We're going to make a half double crochet. We're going to chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then into the next stitch make a half double crochet. And that is the pattern we will be following all the way across. So chain 1, skip 1, and then in the next half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and then in the next chain half double crochet. So go ahead and do that all the way across. You should end up with a half double crochet into the very last stitch. So here I've completed row 1. You can see that in the very last chain I did end up with just a half double crochet. For row 2 we'll turn our work, chain up 3, and then we are going to make our first stitch in this chain 1 space here. So we're going to make a half double crochet into that chain 1 space. We're going to chain 1 and then half double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And we're going to do that all the way across. Chain 1, half double crochet into the chain 1 spaces. Here I am at the end of row 2. I just made my last half double crochet into this chain space here, and then we're just going to repeat row 2. So turn your work, chain 3, and then make our first half double crochet into this chain 1 space. Chain 1, and then half double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And all you have to do is repeat row 2 until you have the height that you need. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.